Hi, in this video, let us learn how to extract the data which is given in a single cell. So here in this sheet, I have this column in which name of the client is mentioned. After comma, there is client code of 4 digit which is mentioned here in the same cell, and after hyphen, 2 digits indicates the area code. I need to separate this data in these individual columns. So how you can do it? You have different formulas. For example, let's start with the easiest one, area code, which is only of 2 digits. You have to write here formula is equal to right, because we are going to start with these two from the extreme right. So you have to give the text from where you want to extract. So this is the cell number, comma. How many characters? 2 characters. Closing the bracket, enter. So this is the area code for this client. If I use the fill handle, double click, I get all the area codes from this data. Now, coming to the client code. Now, this is something is in the middle of the given data. So you have to use the formula is equal to mid. This is the text from which you need to extract the data. After that, you have to give the start number. Now, I cannot give the count of the number of characters because for this data, the number of characters and for this data, the number of characters is not same because the names are consisting of different number of alphabets. So what you have to do? You have to observe that after every name, there is a comma. So you have to use the function find. What do you need to find? You need to find comma in which text. So in the same cell you need to find. Okay, done, bracket close. Number of characters. How many number of characters we have for client code? There are 4 characters. Okay, and then you have to close the bracket, enter. Now, as you can see, the problem is the comma has been considered. We don't want comma. We want comma to be excluded, and after that we need 4 number of characters. So you have to add 1 here, enter. So now the comma has been excluded, and after comma 4 digits has been considered. Similarly, using the fill handle, you can get all the client codes here. And for the name, it is starting from the extreme left. So you have to use the formula left. That is the text you have to give here, comma, number of characters. Now, as you can see, the number of characters in this name until the comma and this name until the comma are not same. That's why I'm going to use the find. In this, what you have to find? You have to find the comma. In which text? In the same text. And you have to exclude the comma. That's why -1 should be given here. Similarly, using the fill handle, and you have extracted the data from the given cell. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.